To make storytelling interesting for every kid seems difficult because if you work in a group, you cannot tell a story and know immediately how it affects every children. However, you have to understand that storytelling is only one small part of a general process. After storytelling, children might go on the street. So if you talk about storytelling about the culture or architecture, for example, and the kid will simply, after the storytelling session, will go on the street and they will start to look at the house, at the architecture and all of this, and they start to think in a different way that they wouldn't have without the storytelling. So storytelling, it's not only what's happening during the session of storytelling, but also after. Storytelling and story sharing are two different concepts, sometimes confused. Storytelling, you come and you prepare, you tell a story, it comes with sometimes an objective, clear methodology. Some people confuse storytelling and story sharing, and there are differences. Storytelling, as it states, you tell the story. However, sometimes when you tell a story, you create emotion, and people feel this emotion and want to share their own story. It happens sometimes when you work with children and you tell a story about something that happened and they want to share something similar that happened to them, and then they start to share. And here we have got a mix of storytelling and story sharing, and sometimes one finishes and the other starts. And this is two different concepts important to differentiate. One good thing to always think about when you do a storytelling is to ask for feedback. You know, at the end of a storytelling session, you don't know if people like the story, if people want to hear more story. And this is exactly why you should ask for feedback. Sometimes you receive a very brutal feedback. They don't like the way you talk, they don't like the story, they don't understand the story. But it's a great thing because you can change, you can adjust, and you can come with better story and think and evolve and move together with a group.